Hello Take a Break families, happy Friday. Carla and I have a super fun theme this week and it's a great fall activity for you guys. So this week we're going to be showing you 2 different types of bird feeders and how to make them. Super fun, let's listen. So since it's fall time, why not do a little bit with nature, right? And we're going to be working on fine motor skills to strengthen those and make them the best that we can. So all I'm using today for my bird feeder is Cheerios, a piece of yarn or string, and pipe cleaners. Only 3 pipe cleaners you need, and that's it. This is super simple to make. It's probably the simplest feeder that you can, and it's so fun to do to incorporate the whole family in this activity. Everyone can have a little job to help make your feeder. All right, I'll show you how to do it. I hope all your neighborhood birds are enjoying their special treat of the Cheerios. That was so sweet of you guys to do them. I will see you here next week. Thank you so much for watching.